LOP here. He will speak first, definitely. And but before that, House should be in order, and the judgment given by the Honorable Chairman, the names that has been mentioned, they should be out of this House before we start. They should be out of this House. I will listen to LOP, but before that, there is a rule in this House. You have to obey the rules. बोले, ये प्रेस करिए आप.
सभापति महोदय, ये कल से जो हम लोग ये दृश्य देख रहे हैं, ये हरिवंश राय जी.
No, we are not discussing bill. We are not discussing bill.
हरिवंश जी पे
we are not discussing the bill.
कल जो ये हरिवंश जी पे कल जो हुआ है, एक तरह से उसको हमला हम लोग मानते हैं और संपूर्ण बिहार में इसका गलत संवाद गया है और बहुत ही ज्यादा आक्रोश है पूरे बिहार में कल जो हरिवंश जी पे जो एक तरह से हमला हुआ है और हम निंदा करते हैं और जो सदस्यों पे उनको बाहर किया जाए सदन से.
He will speak first. I have already told that LOP will speak first. First you go to your seat. Rule has to be obeyed. I have already told the House LOP will speak first. Everything otherwise will not be recorded. Nothing will go on record except LOP. If you have to be in the House, please obey the rules of the House. Honorable members, please go to your seats. Please go to your seats. Honorable members, I have already announced LOP will speak first, but before that there should be order in the House. I cannot allow LOP in this situation of disorder. So you go to your seats first. You go to your seat, LOP will speak first. Go to your seats. Please go to your seats. Please go to your seats. Please go to your seats. If LOP has to speak, he should be heard with discipline, not like this. Please go to your seats. LOP will speak first. Please go to your seats. I will listen to LOP, not you. You go to your seat. You go to your seat. First, it has to be obeyed. The chairman's order. Those Sri Derek O'Brien, Sanjay Singh, Rajiv Satab, K.K. Ragesh, Sir Nasir Hussain, Ripun Bora, Dola Sen, Alaman Karim, please go out of the House. Please go out of the House. Then I will listen to LOP and all other issues will be resolved. I am not allowing the minister now. I am allowing the LOP. But before that, these honorable members should go out of the House because they are suspended from the House already. Yeah, please tell them to go out first. let the suspended member go out of the house. LOP will speak. LOP will definitely speak first before minister. So please go to your seat. Please go to your seat. Please go to your seat. Then only LOP can speak. The house should be on order. The house should be on order. Before LOP speaks, the house should be on order. He cannot speak in a disorderly manner. You go to your seats, and I still request the members to go out. I have already announced the names. They should go out, and then we will start the proceeding of the house with LOP speaking first. I also request our honorable MPs to maintain COVID protocol. COVID protocol. Maintain distance. Maintain distance. I still request, I want order in the house so that LOP can speak in an orderly manner. No disorder in the house. Please go to your seats. 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 And I request the suspended members to go out of the house so that LOP can speak in an orderly manner. Please maintain order in the house. Please maintain order in the house. The house is adjourned till 12 noon.
इस तरह की खबरें देखने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कीजिए। धन्यवाद।